welcome back to Coco Duo. It's just me, and when it's just me, that means that we're gonna do makeup. So today I thought that I would review a package that Revlon sent me. I am super excited to be showing you guys all what Revlon sent me. We're gonna go through it all. I'm actually gonna do one look with the player palette that they gave me. So let's get into this box. Revlon sent me a box. So cute. It came fast. So I'm super excited. I'm really gonna try to start getting into makeup and stuff because I'm actually kind of okay with it, like not being like a real makeup artist and stuff. But you know, with me, like I usually try to do like makeup looks that people can do. Like I'm not gonna be doing like a bunch of crazy stuff unless I just feel like, okay, I need to prove something. But this is very, very exciting. So let's get into this box. It says in the box, you are now entering #Revlon zone. Let's start off with these palettes. So they gave me, let's make sure you guys can see them, yeah. So they gave me 3 makeup palettes. So they gave me Enigma, which has a bunch of pinks, you know, nudes, and a little shimmer in there. So that one's very, very pretty. They gave me Insider, which has more of a purple to it, and it's very, very pretty colors. And then they gave me Player, which is the one that we're gonna use today, and I'm excited for this one because I'm just obsessed with blues. They sent me a highlighter that is Gilded Dawn. The number is 203, Gilded Dawn, and I'm like obsessed with this as well. Like this is so pretty. Like you're gonna see this from a mile away. I'm obsessed with glow. I feel like it completes every look. They sent me 2 foundations, and so one of them is the Revlon Color Stay Honey Beige. And I don't really know. I mean, this looks like it could probably be my color, but I'll probably have to mix it with this Cappuccino. So this number is 410 and this number is 455. They sent me 2 concealers. They sent me a medium color, and then they sent me a chestnut color. And I tried to go with a little bit like, this is probably what I use like on my dramatic looks, and then this is probably something that I'd use probably like, you know, every day. Revlon also sent me some, oh girl, it's like, oh my god. Anyways, Revlon sent me pencils. First one they sent me is, the number is 220 dark brown. This is a brow pencil. As you can see, it's got the little spoolie at the bottom. That's what I call that. They sent me a regular black eyeliner, which is what we're gonna use today. And then they sent me a sapphire eye pencils. So they sent me 2 lipsticks and lip gloss. So this, I'm obsessed. I use lip gloss all the time, religiously. Love it, love it, love it. The number is 200. Euro 20, it's the Nude Illuminator. Let's look at this color. Very, very pretty. Let's see, can you guys see that? 005 Fire and Ice. And so this color is very, very pretty as well. Sent me this Oil on the Go bowl, roller ball. And then lastly, they sent me a eyelash crimper. That's what I call it, honestly. They create like dramatic curls. It's kind of like the 3 things in there, and you can really, I love these. I've actually been craving one of these. It's so weird how like things happen like that, because I was thinking I need an eyelash curler, I need an eyelash curler, and I was like, oh my god, like I really need one. So I'm excited about that. And then they sent me the So Fierce mascara. If you want to see these makeup looks, stay tuned. The first thing I'm gonna go in with is I'm gonna go in with my Fenty powder in hazelnut. I've had this actually for like a really, really long time, and it's worked wonders for me. But I usually put like edge control. That sounds a little weird, but I do edge control on my eyebrows just to kind of make them a little bit more matte. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and just put it on my eyebrows. Then we're gonna go in with the volcanic roller ball. So not expecting this to work. I like for things to look really, really matte, and this is amazing. Like, Revlon. Love that. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with our dark brown, 220 dark brown pencil. And let's see if we can get something to shake.
Knockout. You win.
This is what it looks like without concealer or anything. Like, I haven't even brushed it up. So now I'm going in with the Revlon 055 Chestnut Concealer. Guys, are we sleep on Revlon? Like, I am so serious. Like, I'm shocked right now. I'm not putting on. I am literally shocked. Are we sleep on Revlon? I just want to say it went on very, very smoothly, and I'm doing a dramatic nighttime look. So, you know, it went on smooth. So next, I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner. First step of this makeup look is to kind of take your eyeliner of any sort, usually an eye pencil, and kind of give yourself kind of like your cat eyeliner, just like you would do your cat eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is come in. It up. Don't worry about anything that you can't control, but we're gonna keep going with that. Take a brush, like a brush like this. I already kind of used it, and I'm just gonna kind of what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this black to this eye. I have my black on. All right, so we're going in with the 910 Player. So I think what I'm gonna do is go in first with this brown color right here that's in the middle at the top. I'm gonna go back in with this brush. It's gonna come off like a little green, but that's okay. I'm gonna go over this top part right here. Just like that. And I think what I'm going to do is go in with this blue color up here, right there, across the lid. So I always wet mine just to get that smooth thing across. So pretty and pigmented, you guys. So here we go. Let's see what we're going to work with. Oh my God. But I'm just letting you guys see how pigmented this stuff is. This is one brush across the lid. And we're gonna take this kind of blue color that's right there and put it in our corners, okay? On top of this color that I have here, and go in with this lighter blue that's right here in the middle. And I'm just gonna go in the middle, like right in the middle, and see what we can do there. Yeah, see, that's pretty. This nude that's at the bottom of the palette, and kind of put it at the top here, and kind of try to lighten it up because it is a little much at the top for me, and it's not really that blended. Very gorgeous. Guys, makeup, you can never mess up on makeup. Like, I never get scared because you can never mess up. We're gonna go back in with this lighter color that's at the top right here on our brow bone just a little bit.
Knockout. You win.
So I put my lashes on off camera, and now we have a beautiful smoky eye look that I was really trying to go for. So next I'm gonna go in with my Extend Lift Volumize mascara from Revlon. Everything's looking all nice and pretty. I think this eye is small in this one. I have no idea. I'm like seeing things. This is the Honey Beige, and this one is the Cappuccino. So I'm gonna try to mix because I feel like this one's too light, this one's way too dark. It's really not that bad. Like, it's really not. Like, I really mixed both of those colors very well. Looks like you have makeup on. You're all good to go. Back in with our Chestnut Concealer. And we're going to do just a little bit because I feel like this can get really hype really quick. My video is barely on storage right now, but this is just amazing. Like, you guys look. Like, the way that this is right now, how matte this is, I don't have any powder on yet, just the concealer, just the foundation. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of buffer what I already have on my brush. My angled brush, and I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe #Filter12 bronzer. Next, we're gonna go in with the Gilded Dawn highlighter. So let's put on our liner. They're very glossy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, Revlon, for sending me all of these products. I love them. I love this eye look. I just am so incredibly impressed with each and every single product. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because we are doing looks almost once a week with all of these palettes and all of these products. All right, love you guys so much. Bye.